Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. On this one, this is going to be the first drive of the WRX Subaru. First time in over a year. Let's go. We got boost, man. Don't know what that was, but I think we lost part of the engine.
Tell me, is it whack up in the air? Rapping scattered off the gear. I can map him, get he is like a tracker. Get distracted, send him back like in the mail. Not a fraction of them real. Catch him lacking, run the drill. Running through the shit like a motherfucking day.
Alright, so I just went to take it for a test drive. I went to shut the bonnet and it wouldn't close all the way. And then I was like playing around with the latch and whatnot, like pulling it around a bit because obviously it's not super straight. It's pretty close but not perfect. And then I figured out that someone had taken this striker bracket off and spun it around the wrong way and put it back on again. And then, yeah, I figured out, I took it off, fit in there, and I was like, hang on a second, that's a bit weird. And then I went back into seeing the marks where it was mounted, and you could tell it needed to be this way. Bam, shut first go. So there's a waste of 30 minutes figuring that out. We've got all the fluids, hopefully. It was overheating, but it was the thermostat wasn't open when I was putting the coolant in, so now it's topped up, not overheating, even though one fan doesn't work, so that's cool. Yeah, we're pretty much ready to go. The clutch needs some attention, but it works. So we're going to take it for a strap up the street. Brad's going to come ride shotgun. Are you sitting in the back or the front?
Yeah, it's in the back.
You sit in the back?
Uber ride.
Nah, sit in the front.
It's like toxic chemicals in the front.
Wait, oh, I can move that.
Nah, I'll sit with it.
That's the dehumidifier thing. That's for shipping containers. Got hooked up. Beast of a freaking thing. But yeah, listen how good this thing is. First time, every time, just starts up, idles beautifully, keep running mint. Let's have a listen to the Subaru rumble. Oh. How good does that sound? Right, let's go. We're going for a first drive. No, that's alright. I can reverse past it. Yeah, so hopefully we'll make it back. Nah, we should be sweet. Alright, so we're just cruising. It works. The car works. It did stall when I came up to a stop, which is quite shit. So that issue's not fixed. The clutch pedal just stays on the floor. But we got boost, man. That was, but I think we lost part of the engine.
It sounds like an exhaust leak.
The exhaust has been removed, I think.
Yeah. Sounds like a proper Subaru now.
I think we lost half the exhaust. It's gonna stall, isn't it? No, it didn't stall. So it was kind of like that aftermarket exhaust. Oh my god, I just found a spanner in here, dude. What the heck? 10 mil!
Oh, perfect. Is that ours or not?
No, that's definitely not ours. That's been there for a long time, dude. It's all rusted and shit. That is insane. Just on top of the headlight, just sitting right there.
That's why, yeah, everyone's 10 mils go missing. In
you
there.
Drop them in there.
They're in there. Everyone go check it.
Yeah, go check it out. Basically the exhaust, the aftermarket one, had like this weird like flange thing, and it didn't quite line up, and I just made it almost line up, but it didn't. And what I'm gonna have to do, I'm gonna have to loosen off the bolts to the bottom of the turbo, that manifold under there. I'm gonna have to loosen that, which will give this end a little bit more play, and then hopefully it lines up, because it's like an aftermarket stainless steel, like brand name headers. They should line up, and I had that end tight and put the engine in, but I should have had the whole exhaust all connected, but I didn't realize at the time. Anyway, that's going to be difficult. Luckily we have a hoist, and Brad's keen to do that job. No one wants to do that. Literally, like, probably easier to pull the engine out than loosen off those nuts.
I reckon we just weld the thing, like Xavier said. Just push the time and just... Well, I'm pretty good behind the welder today as well. But
You could just weld the gap up, but you'd never be able to split the exhaust again.
Yeah, it's
so
fucked.
I kind of want it to work.
Yeah.
In the future, someone might need it. But anyway,
No, definitely someone's gonna need it.
Yeah.
Someone's gonna try and modify this car in the future.
Yeah. But either I'm gonna finish this episode with us going for another drive with it running min, or this is gonna be the end of the episode. So yeah, I don't know yet.
Everyone's checking the little like line along the thing, just how much time's left. That'll tell them.
Insert like a minute of black right now. Nah, right, let's get to it, eh? Alright, we're back. It's been some time. I don't know if we had this before when I was starting this episode. I think we did. But we have now got a registration. This thing is regoed, ready to go to the paint shop to see Dane get a treatment. It's looking pretty good. I've refitted the front bumper bar. It used to be hanging off. Gave it a full clean. Yeah, it's sick. That noise before, when we just went for a drive, which was like 2 weeks ago now, or a week ago, it was actually one of the bungs for the O2 sensor. The aftermarket front pipe has like a couple of bungs or ports where you can put in like temp sensors and whatnot. There's like 3 of them. I don't know why you need that many. Anyway, it came with these special bungs and one popped out. It must have been loose. Got a new one, put that in. So that's sick. Easy fix. Yeah, let's go for a proper drive. Brad's gonna come. He's actually here at the moment. And yeah, let's go for a couple of sends. I'm so excited. Like, I haven't had a cool car in so long. Like, this isn't the coolest car, but it's definitely cooler than the D-Max. And yeah, street car things. So let's go for a drive. As well now. Got rid of the other ones and they actually work. I got a new key cut for it. So I got a new key that's not snapped in half. What else? It's low on fuel. Got to go to the servo. Yeah. Can't remember what else I've done. Cement. Let's go for round 2. Fresh tank of fuel. So let's go with the Subaru, mate. Nice. Went straight to the floor. All power sounds sick. Yeah, there's the issue with the clutch pedal where it like stays on the floor, and I put some WD on it because it obviously hasn't been used in a while. Seems to be good again, but yeah, and I'm pretty sure it's just the pedal. It's not the actual clutch doing anything. We've got some very sunny conditions right now. I can't see shit. But yeah, the car works, which is sick. I need to I've got a list of a couple of things that I need to do on it. Brakes work, which is nice. There's really good visibility, like you can see out of the car really well.
Yeah, the A-pillar's long in the way too.
We've got all drive, so with all drive you got to be careful how fast you go around corners, because mate,
just metals.